Welcome to Awesome English, I'm Dan. This is lesson 4 in our series on how to write a sci-fi narrative. We now know the structure of a narrative is orientation, build-up, problem, resolution, and ending. In today's lesson, we're going to be writing the build-up. Let's get started. Alright, let's check in on our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. So our first objective is to know the purpose of a build-up paragraph. Then, to know the problem first. Now we can't just go straight into the problem with aliens going crazy and things happening, going wrong. We can't. We need to build up first through the build-up paragraph. Then, to use the half-burger strategy. Now we're going to teach you about the half-burger strategy. It's an awesome way to build tension to your problem. Then to use literary devices, and our final one is to use a mix of simple, compound and complex sentences. Let's get started. So what is a build-up? A build-up is where we build tension up to the problem in our narrative text. Now before we write a build-up, we need to know what our problem is. You don't have to write it. You need to have an idea about what it's going to be. Okay, so in lesson 5 of this series, we have given you some really clear details about the types of problems you could have in a narrative. So in this lesson, we're just working on the build-up and you just need an idea. Let's keep moving. So for a problem paragraph, you could choose from one of these options. You could have character versus nature. Something goes wrong in nature. You could have character versus character. Is there a fight or conflict between the characters? You could have character versus machine. Is there something, a machine or an alien or a robot, that's going to have a conflict with your character? And then finally, you could also maybe have character versus world. Is there something going on in the world that the character has to have a conflict with? You only need to choose one. When you get better at writing narratives, you might be able to use 2 or more. But today, let's just choose one. Have a think. Which type of problem will you choose so we can build up to it? All right, let's get moving. So a cool way to write our build-up is through our half-burger triangle paragraph. So what happens is we can build up tension using this strategy. It starts with long, happy sentences that are really positive, using compound or complex sentences. Then, as the paragraph progresses, the sentences are getting maybe a bit shorter, and also the character's a bit more distressed. It's not as positive. And then finally, we're ending with short, sharp, simple sentences, or even one word that can build up tension to our problem. Have a go at trying to use this paragraph today to build tension to your problem. Let's go. Alright, so let's do a little think, pair, share. So if you're in class, you can work with the person next to you. If not, just brainstorm yourself. I'm going to give you an example of a build-up paragraph for a sci-fi narrative. See if you can spot elements of that half-burger strategy. Maybe you can even spot some literary devices. Let's check it out. So as she stared at the windshield at the horizon, something strange happened. Small star-sized objects danced and darted across a distant hill. At that moment, Sally braked and watched in disbelief. Silence. The engine cut off. A low whirring noise rose from the trees as if a rocket was incoming. Zoom, whiz, a light streaked across the old truck like a gold ribbon caught in the wind. Then it disappeared. In the distance, a silvery dish seemed to hover and a huge door opened. Alright, I hope you're able to annotate and spot some of those elements of the burger strategy. And also, maybe you could spot some of the literary devices. Things like alliteration, similes, direct speech. Okay, so now it's over to you. Use this example to help you draft your own build-up paragraph. Go! Alright, thanks for learning with us today at Awesome English. I hope you've had success at writing your own build-up paragraph for a sci-fi narrative. Now don't forget to tune in to lesson 5, where we write our own problem paragraph together. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.